Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Velangani for a pilgrimage tour. Velangani is situated in the Nagapattinam district of Tamil Nadu on the Coromandel coast, which is 350 kilometers south of Chennai. We reached around 6:30 in the evening. This hotel provides a ramp at the entrance, so it was easy to enter. It also has got many awards from the TripAdvisor for its good service. We booked our room prior to 1 week, so checking in didn't take much time. There are rooms in the ground floor and upstairs. We got the room in the ground floor itself. Our friends Martin and Rincy with their children. The room was wheelchair accessible and shifting to the bed was very easy, unlike the big spring mattresses that you see in other hotels. Even though the rooms are wheelchair accessible, the major problem was the bathroom. Its door was very narrow, but the bathroom was big enough. So if you have a commode wheelchair and someone is ready to carry you, then it's okay. Velangani is home to one of the country's biggest Catholic pilgrimage centers. The Catholic Basilica devoted to Our Lady of Good Health is popularly known as the Lourdes of the East. It is believed that three miracles happened here during 16th or 17th century. First was the apparition of Mother Mary to a shepherd boy selling milk. Second was the apparition of Mother Mary to a lame buttermilk seller. Third incident was that through her intercession, Portuguese sailors were saved from violent storm. We attended the Holy Mass in Tamil at 12 o'clock. Behind us, you can see a 1 kilometer sand path. I'll show you for what it is used in the next vlog. This is the aerial view. Here you can see the Veliyar River joining Bay of Bengal at Velangani beach. Here you can buy the blessed candles and holy oil to take to your home. Here we can also buy silver or metal images of human form that we can offer in the basilica. This is the basilica that is built in a Gothic style. We'll open the gate for us. This is the front view of the Basilica of the Good Health. Wheelchair users have another entrance. We can light the candles that way. Since photography and videography is prohibited inside the basilica, I was not able to shoot inside of it. This is the Ave Maria block where we can receive the blessings from the priest. Even though the ramp was there, we were not able to get inside. But Father was ready to come out and give his blessings to us. Here you can give money to offer holy mass for your prayer intentions. Large number of devotees visit the shrine during its annual festival from 29th August to 8th September. The 11-day annual festival concludes with the celebration of the Feast of Nativity of Mother Mary on September 8.